Good day. Welcome to Fit for Life online coaching class. You are going to learn about how to reset your metabolism and how to overcome weight loss resistance. Hi everyone, I am Jane Chiu and I am a health coach where I help people to optimize their health by making lifestyle changes. I am the founder of the fabulousbodymind.com. I am a certified trainer as well as a certified whole body health coach. Today, I want to share my personal journey of transformation from facing unstoppable weight gain to discovering a sustainable solution for achieving both health and weight management. A few years ago, I found myself trapped in a cycle of unstoppable weight gain, working long hours, battling stress, and living a sedentary lifestyle had taken a toll on my health. I felt overwhelmed, frustrated, and desperate for a change. I began my journey by searching for quick fixes. I tried every diet I came across, hoping to find a solution, but time and again, I found myself disappointed with short term results that quickly faded away, leaving me feeling defeated and demotivated. I realized that true transformation requires more than just a temporary fix. It involves embracing a sustainable approach that focuses on overall health and well being. That realization became the foundation of my coaching program. I delved into extensive research, studying nutrition, exercise sciences, mindset, and behavior change. I combined my newfound knowledge with my personal experience, and that is when I discovered the path to sustainable weight management. Today, I have had the incredible opportunity to help many people reclaim their health and achieve sustainable weight loss. Witnessing their transformations, both physically and mentally, has been the most rewarding experience of my life. Now I prioritize a balanced lifestyle and nourish my body with whole, nutritious food, engage in regular physical activity that I enjoy, and prioritize self-care. It is not just about the number on the scale anymore. It is about feeling energized, confident, and living life to the fullest. If you have tried the cycle of weight gain, disappointment, and short term fixes, I invite you to join me on this journey. Together, we can unlock your potential for sustainable health and weight management. Don't settle for temporary change. Let's create lasting transformation that will empower you to live your best life. See you in my next lesson. Today, we are going to dive into the topic of weight loss resistance and uncover why it can be a challenging road. But fear not, we will also explore how to overcome these obstacles and achieve lasting success on your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Weight loss resistance refers to the difficulty people often face in shedding excess pounds. Despite their best effort, it's crucial to understand that weight loss is a complex process influenced by several factors such as genetics, hormones, metabolism, and lifestyle choices. Hormones play a significant role in regulating our metabolism, appetite, and fat storage. Imbalances in hormones like insulin, cortisol, and leptin can hinder weight loss progress. High levels of stress, poor sleep, and sedentary lifestyle can disrupt hormone production, making weight loss even more challenging. Our bodies are incredibly adaptive. When we restrict calories or engage in prolonged dieting, our metabolism can slow down as a protective mechanism. This metabolic adaptation can hinder weight loss by making it harder to burn calories effectively. Additionally, crash diets or extreme exercise routines can negatively affect metabolism in long run. Emotional and behavioral factors play a crucial role in weight loss resistance. Stress eating, emotional eating, and unhealthy relationships with food can sabotage our efforts. Addressing these factors, along with developing sustainable habits and a positive mindset, is essential for long term success.